In this video, we will go over how to plot and share routes on TAC. First, tap on the menu and scroll to the Routes tile. This will bring up the Routes panel. To start a new route, click on the Add Route button. This will bring up a route type drop-down menu. Select the route type you want, then click Manual Entry. Start plotting your route by pressing the spot on your map where you want the route to begin. Then, press and hold on the map where you want your first checkpoint to be. Continue this process until you reach end point for your route. Click End in the top right-hand corner to finish plotting your route and bring up the Route Editing menu. You can change the color of your route by pressing here. Click on the name of each checkpoint on the route. A rename option will be pulled up for you to customize the names of each checkpoint, the starting point, and the ending point. Once the desired changes are made, ensure to send the route to your team by clicking Send. Be sure to visit our website or YouTube page for more information and help navigating TAC.